Transfer Magic heat transfer paper for light and dark fabrics. You'll need a shirt, obviously, an iron, a computer, as well as access to a printer. The transfer paper for light colors has one line on it, and the transfer paper for dark colors has an overlay paper that comes with it, and it has 2 lines. You will be printing on the side that has no lines. So I'm going to open up a Word document and change the orientation to landscape. Now I'm going to import an inverted photo for the light colored shirt. It has to be inverted so it's backwards. And I'm going to wrap text so I can move it around and change the size of it. Before you print, make sure you put your transfer paper into your printer. Mine prints with the ink side down, so my lines are faced up. Go ahead and print it. I'm also going to go ahead and add the darker colored transfer paper or dark fabric transfer paper into the printer right now. For the dark fabric paper, we do not need to invert the image. We will just print it the way we want the image to be seen. Now that we have that, we'll go ahead and cut out our design, getting as close to the edge as possible. For the dark colored fabric paper, we want to peel off the paper on the back. Align your picture however you'd like on your shirt. For our light colored shirt, we're simply just going to flip our image over and position it where we want. The dark colored shirt requires an overlay paper. Set your iron to the cotton setting and iron evenly across the image, following directions based on the size. With our light colored shirt, we do not need an overlay paper. We iron directly onto the transfer paper. Again, following the directions based on the size of your image. When the shirt is cold, you can remove the overlay paper. There's our dark colored shirt. Simply peel off the paper on your light colored shirt.
Strange. Quite strange. Super weird. That is not how the other one turned out. Well, I'm not disappointed, but it's not what I expected. Interesting. It is cool though, this part. That is especially cool. I kind of like it. I mean, you can't really see this, but it's probably because of the color of shirt I chose. Huh.
And there you have it. The shirts are done. I think if I had chosen a white shirt instead of a light blue shirt, it would have come out better. I'll have to experiment with other brands. This is Transfer Magic. But yeah, I want to try it on a white shirt to see how it turns out with the light colored transfer paper, and we'll see how they look after they've been washed.